before we start, what are you waiting for? Subscribe down below, turn notifications on, and drop a like. It seriously helps me and the channel out. Thanks guys, let's jump into the video. Are DBrand skins just expensive stickers? Well, yeah they are. If you're going to buy stickers, buy the best ones. If that's what you want to do with your device, with your phone, whatever it is you're covering. In this case, we've got stickers for the AirTag. Although they are pricey for stickers, about $20 in the US, you do get a bit of stuff for your money. For instance, you don't just get one set of stickers, you get 8, which is handy. So you've got enough stickers to cover 8 AirTags, and that's 2 packs, $200 worth of AirTags. Also, with those 8 skins, you get the case, which is a very nicely made case. It's got a really nice rubber grip to it. You can either attach the case to your bag, your wallet, whatever you're attaching the AirTag to, via a lanyard, or it comes with a little round carabiner. The carabiner it comes with, I'm not too keen on. It's those round ones you get with keys. I prefer the clippy carabiners. It's easy to clip onto stuff, but it does come with that. It also comes with a nice DBrand branded cloth, microfiber cloth, for cleaning different electronic products as well. Fitting the stickers is easy as well. You have to put the smaller one on the bigger side, and on the shiny side you put the bigger sticker. You'll figure it out. It's fairly straightforward, and as we know, AirTags can get scuffed up. The silver side gets scratched very easily. I've got a couple of AirTags and they're both scratched pretty bad, but with this new AirTag I've put the skin on, and hopefully that will keep it nice and clean. The stickers are the usual DBrand quality, 3M vinyl, very thick for a sticker, very good quality. Come in all sorts of different designs, unlimited mix and match. There's about 28, I think, different colours or sort of designs to go with the AirTags. They all obviously do lots of different things. That's all there is to say. They fit well, they do the job. If it's something you're looking for, then the DBrand stickers are the only way to go. The only downside to DBrand living in the UK is that the shipping takes a long time. I've waited up to 3 to 4 weeks sometimes for a delivery from DBrand. If they could get that shipping a little bit quicker worldwide, that would be fantastic. But apart from that, DBrand, fully recommend them, and these are really nice stickers for your AirTags. Appreciate you watching guys, thanks again. Make sure you do subscribe and press the notifications on so you don't miss any uploads. Drop us a like, really does help the channel. Check out the podcast, it's a lot of fun over there. Also, you might like this other video. Thanks for watching.